Time. Today we have 3 new customs. Welcome Liam's Toy Time. We have Wonder's Monster Loaf.
Whoa, look at this guy. Looks like a loaf of bread. Maybe some butter on there.
Sticking out.
Yep.
Who did we use to make this one?
Higher education, right?
Because it looks like a bread loaf.
Yeah.
What do you think of this one?
I think he's cool, and I think we did a great job.
Next one we have Traxxas SST.
Whoa.
What do you think of that one?
He's really awesome. This one was kind of hard to make, wasn't it?
Because of the trophy truck body.
With all the curves, it was pretty hard.
We used a Bakugan Dragonoid Ice Base.
And
Hobbles Racing #1's body.
Yeah, and he turned out pretty cool if you ask me.
In this bundle we have Spinmaster.
Wow,
What do you
lots of
think of
tape on this one. He turned out good, and he does really well in our events, doesn't he?
Okay, so
Awesome.
that was the Rigs of Rods NANT pack.
Cool.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Whoa! And here we have
Gravedigger Zombie and Son of a Digger Hunter. Son of a Digger.
wow, this is the one I really like. Look at that. He has chains.
Barbed wire, rust.
Just really cool. And look at the tires.
They are gray.
Yeah, that is just a really, really cool truck. And Liam's favorite,
Gravedigger Zombie.
Gravedigger Zombie. Look at this, you guys. He's creepy. Right in time
Creepy
for
cool.
Halloween. Right.
If we do
creepy
a
cool.
Halloween event, will we use this one?
I think so. I think he'd be a good one.
Plus, they were first revealed around October.
Of last year, right? Yeah. He is so cool.
This is a sick-looking body.
Yeah, these are kind of hard to find right now.
It's because of the virus and the fire and ice.
Well, you might be catching these in your local stores.
These are
soon.
Walmart exclusive.
Well, yes, Walmart. And those are our new trucks.
Pick your favorite custom.
My favorite custom is the bread. I like bread, and I like my carbs. How about you?
And I'm going to go with Spinmaster.
Spinmaster. And my favorite of the zombie versus hunters is the Hunter Son of a Digger.
And my favorite is the Zombie Gravedigger.
Awesome.
Yeah. This video, please subscribe to my channel. Catch you later.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye-bye. Video, please subscribe to my channel. Catch you later.